Hey guys, Alfredo with Alfredo's Auto Glass, and I have this clip kit right here that I want to show you guys and share with you guys. It's a really awesome kit. What I did my little research on all the clips that are on here, and I think what they did, they pretty much look for the most popular clips, the most that they sell, and put it together in a box. They're very useful clips. So let me show you some of the clips. And why do we need clips? Because they break, right? Most of the clips, they're not meant for reusing. Some clips are used to be replaced. In this case right now, I just got done working on this Prius, and guess what? The clips broke. So as simple as opening up my box and replacing them with the exact same thing too. So very, very useful. How we replacing them right now. So yeah, let me talk and show you guys what it's in here. So let's say like for the 4 F-150s, you see the long clip, very, very, very useful. For the cowling, same thing on the 4 clips, on the 4 trucks. This clip is for the cowling, same thing for the cowling. They have some here for Hondas, that's for the cowling. Here's more Hondas for the cowling. More Hondas. This one, oh, for the Ford. If you ever have a Ford and you show up and somebody didn't, they broke it, you know, using the ambush, this press tool, this tractor, and they broke it and they knocked it off. Well, you do know that this clip holds this clip together, but not only that, it helps us to stop, to hold the windshield in place from sliding down. So they have this clip in this clip kit box in here. If you ever have like those annoying clips from like the Mazda, the little tiny clip, well, here's a clip, same thing for the Ford Fusion. You know, you break it and then the cowling, the moldings, the side rubber moldings are flapping, and you don't want that. This is very popular. I use this so much, these clip kits, these clips. Christmas tree clip is very, very useful. And what's really cool about it is that there's a part number and everything here. So if you ever need to reorder it, you just go and reorder individually if there's one clip that you use the most. Here's one more popular clip. This is for Honda, Nissan. They use these clips to retain the cowling molding. Here's the one for the this one is for the FJ Cruiser, the 2 side moldings. And please note that there's 2 different ones for this. The one has one direction, one has a different direction. Oh, here's the other one. So don't confuse them. They fit differently on both, on the actual molding. This one, sometimes it's so hard to get it from your local supplier. And in the past, I have bought this from the dealer, and it's a 2-3 day order. So I have bought these clips from the dealer, and it just takes forever to get them. And sometimes my manufacturer, my supplier, doesn't have it in stock. So here's a few more. This is like for the Dodge and Chrysler. Here are for the diameter is like 1/4, but I use, this looks like the ones for Mercedes, like the E-Class, or a few different Mercedes. This looks like Subaru. These are like for Subaru clips. Oh, this very famous, the Honda Odyssey. Instead of using that liquid nails, just replace the clip. It makes it so much easier to replace the clip. So I think I went through every clip in this box on this side of the box. So let me move on to the other side. Yes, Honda Accords. Very, very, actually, yeah, it looks like a Honda Accord for the side moldings. Honda Odyssey. This one goes with the other one on the other side. And what I really like about this, that has the double-sided tape, and this is like the really heavy duty. This one has, this is for the Honda Pilot, a few Honda Odysseys, and what else? I think that's it. But if you see this clip, you'll recognize it. There's a part number there. You could go to the precision website and just punch in that number, the top number, and it'll tell you what the clip is for. This one has a 3M VHB, very, very heavy duty double-sided tape. I would always recommend you myself, if you glue this, put your little urethane spots right here, you know, squeeze a little bit of urethane. If the next guy needs to remove it, you just have to remove the two little sides, and then we'll hold it. Put tape on it just for like a day or so. That way this doesn't fly off, the moldings doesn't fly off. These are for the top of the roof for Hondas. This is for the Land Rovers, very useful. Sometimes they break, they're dried out and they break. Here are for some Chevrolet. Can't remember exactly which one is this for. I haven't used that one yet. For exploders, you know, sometimes you want to save the moldings and you just broke a clip, and all you have, if you don't have an extra clip, you know, it's going to be loose. But if you have the clip, you can just replace the clip. Here are some. This one looks like for the Honda Pilot or the Honda Odyssey, the clip that goes all the way in the bottom of the side moldings. Yes, this one, very, very, very useful. These are for the Ford F-150 side moldings. This one, this is an old one. This is for like a Jeep. This is for like the Jeep Cherokees. This looks very similar, but one of them is for a Nissan Maxima, and or the Altimas, I believe, and then the other one's for the Ford F-150s. This one's, sometimes you save the 4 flex, you know, the little trick of the 4 flex where you remove the upper one or the 2 and then you slide the molding up, and sometimes you break a clip. Well, if you only need 1 clip, here's the clip. Here are a few Ford, like the 1099s and the Rangers, the older body styles. Let's see, this is for like the top of the 4 Exploder, like the very, very, very top. This one looks like maybe like the Honda Accord, the upper molding clip. And oh, very important, the Lexus. Even the Lexus were out of these clips. Sometimes that I would buy the clip, they would be out, so I couldn't do the job. Having this clip kit, you know, if your supplier doesn't have it, you have it right here. So it has 927 pieces, something like that, and there's like 25 of each one. So it'll be good for 1 installation, or sometimes you only need 1. You don't need to buy the entire box. And if you need to just replace 1 individual clip, you can do that and still have the box. So very useful box, highly recommend it. And I hope this is helpful to you guys. And this is coming next on my next video. I'm gonna show you your emergency kits for auto glass. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and hit like if you like this video. Alfredo from Alfredo's Auto Glass. God bless.